Hey guys, it's Maddie. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a cook with me, white girl edition. So I'm going to be making breakfast for lunch. I think I'm gonna be making French toast, maybe with some eggs. That would be good. That would be real good, honestly. So if y'all are ready, come on with me and let's just get right into this video. Got my eggs right here. There's only 2 eggs left. But there's a whole nother carton in there. So I'm gonna get like cinnamon, vanilla. What else do you put in the mixture? I need a chair. Okay, so I got the cinnamon and I got vanilla. So now we're gonna get a bowl. I like this bowl so the bread can fit in there. And then a regular size bowl for just the eggs. So I'm gonna have 2 pieces of French toast. So there's my 2 pieces of French toast. Okay, so you know what? Okay, this is better. So I'm gonna crack the egg. Wash your hands. Okay, now y'all are gonna think I'm crazy, but I've seen people put salt in their stuff, but I don't know. So we're gonna put some of this vanilla, like this much. Come on. Okay, that's a lot. Okay, it's still coming out. Go. Now we're gonna take some cinnamon and put that in there. I'm gonna turn the oven on, or the thing on, and then you're gonna mix. Put salt in there. Oh, I forgot to add milk. Should I add milk to make it a little bit more fluffy? I'm gonna add some milk. Okay, I added some milk. Barely any. Now we're gonna add a bit of salt. Just a tad. You want the mixture to be like nothing goes through the fork. You feel me? Just remember that. For the eggs, we're gonna get 2 more eggs. And we're gonna put that on. But we're gonna, hold on. 2 eggs. Salt, pepper, garlic, salt, and milk. Or garlic powder. See, we use this a lot in this house. the white folks' favorite seasoning. So some salt, some pepper. Let me know if y'all want more of this type of video. Like, nothing comes out of this pepper machine. And then some garlic and some milk to make the eggs fluffy. You feel me? So while that's sitting over there, I forgot to spray these with butter. You're gonna get a spoon and you're gonna get your some country rock and you're gonna put some butter and spread that boy around. Okay, and you're gonna take a piece of bread and you're gonna dip it. Make sure the egg gets all the way around. And then you gonna place it in a pan. So you'll do that one more time. And for the eggs, didn't even need that much. But we're gonna mix these eggs up. Do this. And now you wait. I'm gonna rinse and I'm gonna kind of clean up now. I'm gonna put that stuff. Wait for stuff to start cooking for real. Okay, so now when I think they're ready to be flipped and stuff, take my spatula, and I'm gonna flip them. And then with the eggs, I just constantly mix around so they all get cooked. And yeah, now you wait some more. Now I need another thing. I'm just gonna use these to like okay, so now my French toast is done. I'm gonna get a real plate. Okay, my eggs are done. Period. make sure you turn the oven off. I'm gonna put this in the period. So here is my plate. I'm gonna put some cheese on the eggs. Okay, my storage thing out. Oh my goodness. So there's some cheese on the eggs. And then I'm gonna put some syrup. We got this type of syrup. And usually I put, okay, this is very runny. I put ketchup on my eggs, but because I have syrup, I'm just gonna eat them with syrup because I don't think eggs and syrup is a bad thing necessarily. Like, it tastes good to me. So yeah, let's try it. Okay, let's see the eggs. Now for the French toast. Okay, here's a little piece. This is bomb. I don't like that part of the eggs. I'm really picky when it comes to my eggs. I hope you like this video. It's different than most of my other content, but I saw this girl named Kylie Madison and she posted cooking with me and I was like, let me try it. So we'll see how it does. But if y'all like this video, give it a fat thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you are new, and comment video ideas you'd like to see from me. But without further ado, bet you guys like that, didn't you? Hope you did.